Hello and welcome to this unboxing and first impressions of the K380 Logitech. Alright, so here it is. First off, it feels nice. It is very small, and it also very lightweight. And we can see some instructions on how to connect the device. And something to be aware of is that it only connects via Bluetooth. So the only way to connect is if your computer has a Bluetooth connection. And the rest of the box does not contain any other accessories except for this manual. So it does not contain any dongle, no wire. The only way to connect is via Bluetooth. So be aware of that before you buy this. And back to the keyboard. It's still small and lightweight. Alright, so the first impression of the keyboard is that it's not really as good as the MX keys. It feels a lot like a laptop keyboard, and you do not get much resistance from typing from it. But meanwhile, it's still a nice keyboard, and there are definitely a lot of worse keys out there. So this is definitely better than most budget keyboards. So, the Logitech K380. It is definitely small and lightweight, and it fits into most usages, I would say. It only connects via Bluetooth, which could be both good and bad. The bad part is if your computer don't have Bluetooth, you can't connect to it at all. The good part is, yeah, it's minimalistic. You don't have to worry about the little dongle you put in your computer. That is good. And as with the MX keys, it connects to 3 devices at the same time, which is great, of course. It is compatible with both Mac and Windows, and that is very good for especially Mac users. If you want a cheap option to your Mac computer instead of getting the expensive alternatives out there, this is a great option. However, the typing experience was not too great, especially when you compare it to the MX keys. Neither of them have any mechanical features, but it just did not feel as good typing on the K380 compared to the MX keys. If that does not matter to you, then it's fine. You can still type on it, it works great. But if you really like that experience when you're typing a lot of documents, the MX keys is definitely preferable. So overall, it's like a smaller version of the MX keys, just with less features and a lesser typing experience. Of course, you can see that on the price tag, which still makes it a great budget option if you want to have a keyboard like the MX keys, compatible with Mac and Windows. You still get a good keyboard which has great value for the money you buy it with. So overall, it is definitely a really good budget keyboard. See you.